Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got another hot day in store for us. High humidity levels will send those heat index values up around 100 degrees as we go through the late morning and afternoon hours today. And we'll also see a slight chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm as well. Looking at the conditions from yesterday, we saw daytime high temperatures reaching the upper 80s to the low 90s throughout the region. We hit 91 degrees for our daytime high here at Wallops. And overnight last night, temperatures currently running in the low 70s. We did see one location making it into the 60s last night. That was at Ocean City, coming in with a reading of 69 degrees. Wallops at 74 degrees for our daytime low temperature. Precipitation over the last 24 hours, you can see just a little bit of precipitation off to our north. Baltimore picking up 0.08 of an inch over the last 24 hours. Here at Wallops, we remain dry. As of 9 a.m., temperatures in the low 80s in our general area. Mostly sunny conditions here at Wallops, with a temperature reading at 82 degrees as of 9 a.m. Upper level wind data showing the winds very light as we go from the surface all the way up to 25,000 feet. You can see with that upper level ridge over the United States, generally winds below 10 knots as we go into the first 25,000 feet of the atmosphere. You can see at that 25,000 foot level, winds only at 4 knots out of a southwesterly direction, so very low wind speeds throughout the column this morning. Freezing level at 13,800 feet. Looking at our current surface analysis, again, generally high pressure overhead of the eastern United States this morning. We are seeing a little bit of upper level energy showing up though at the mid levels, and that has given us a few very isolated showers and thunderstorms throughout the mid-Atlantic region this morning. You can see here on the radar just one cell here off just to the west of Wakefield this morning, and as you can see, moving very slowly due to those very weak upper level winds. So anything that does pop up in the region as we go through the day today will be capable of producing some heavy rainfall, as that shower that does pop up will move very slowly and could sit over the area for very long periods of time this afternoon. So looking at the infrared satellite, you can see a swirl in the over the Delmarva Peninsula this morning as that upper level energy just kind of meanders off of our coast this morning. As we get into the afternoon, we're going to see a little bit more instability building up than we already have, and we are going to see the potential of some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Only looking for about a 20% chance of any kind of shower or thunderstorm activity here at Wallops. But as you can see with this high resolution model, as we get into the afternoon, this will be 2 o'clock in the afternoon today. You can see some of those showers beginning to develop, being put off by this model in the afternoon, and then after 6 or 7 o'clock, you see most of that activity remaining off to our west, and the activity across the Delmarva really starting to die out. So only about a 20% chance through about 4 or 5 o'clock this afternoon, and then we'll see those chances decreasing as we go into the evening hours. Looking at our forecast maps for the next couple of days, as you can see, pretty dry weather here throughout the early portion of the week. Again, that isolated shower or thunderstorm can't be ruled out today, but as we get into the day on Tuesday, we're likely going to see most of that activity staying off to our west. I think our chances are pretty slim throughout the day on Tuesday, probably even lower than what we have today. And then our next chance of a significant shower or thunderstorm chance doesn't really arrive until Wednesday evening as that frontal boundary moves through. We'll have better upper level support at that point in time, and we'll also see lots of instability as we'll see temperatures heading into the low 90s for daytime highs during the day on Wednesday, and seeing an abundant amount of moisture as well during the day on Wednesday. So looking at our next 24 hours, you're going to see again the chance of precipitation mainly between the hours of noon today and 4 p.m. You'll see about a 20% chance of a thunderstorm, about a 20 to 25% chance of precipitation as well. And then we'll look at the chances decreasing to about 10% after 4 p.m., running that 10% chance until about 6 p.m., and then seeing very little chances for precipitation as we head into the evening and overnight hours tonight. We will see partly cloudy skies overnight tonight with generally lows in the mid to upper 70s throughout the region. A chance of some patchy fog after about 4 a.m. in the morning as well, with those visibilities potentially down to about 2 miles at times with those areas of patchy fog in the area. Looking at the next couple of days, Tuesday and Wednesday, again, not looking at a very high chance of shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon and evening hours of Tuesday, but could see about a 10% risk. See a high temperature of 88 degrees. Tuesday evening, another mild evening for us. Overnight low of 77. And then for Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy skies, we'll see a chance of showers and thunderstorms during the late afternoon and evening with a high of 92 degrees. So for the next 7 days, looking at, again, shower and thunderstorm chances looking to be the best Wednesday evening out of the next few days. We'll see very warm conditions. Again, those heat index values will be around 100 degrees during the late morning and into the afternoon hours for the next several days. As we go into the end of the week, we'll see highs really generally staying in the upper 80s to low 90s. Then a little bit cooler temperature expected for the weekend, but that is only due to the chances for those showers and thunderstorms increasing. We'll likely see a little bit more cloud cover as well for the weekend, as we'll see our next system approaching the area with those scattered showers and thunderstorms looking pretty likely at this point for the weekend. But that'll wrap it up for our daily weather briefing today. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.